Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Garmin Fenix 6X Pro. I bet you already have the watch, or if not, you're looking to buy it for Christmas. So if you guys stick around to the end, then I'll give you my final conclusions, what I like about the watch, what I didn't like about it. I had it for 7 months now, so I used it and I've used it for a long time. If I hold down this button, then you come to the Find My Phone. Right here we're going to check how quickly the watch can find GPS signal in bad weather conditions. It's 30 seconds. Yep. Want to exercise, you press this right top button, and then running comes up, you press it again. It finds the GPS as I showed before, and you're ready to go. Press again, and then that's your exercise started. And of course you can stop it. This is the back button. You press this bottom, then you can check the weather. It's going to rain in 10 degrees. It's pretty accurate for the most part. Body battery works well if you use the watch at night. If you sleep with the watch. Stress level, Rio Max. This is the sunset, recovery. Of course, this is a menu, and like every other menu, you can set and change to your liking. Altimeter, temperature. You have handy shortcuts on the watch. So like my favorite is the timer. When you hold the top right button, again you can customize it. If I press those two, stopwatch comes up. So in conclusion, what I loved about the watch is the endless data. It gives you so much information on everything that it's too much for everybody, to be honest. I love the way it looks. I love big watches, it's huge. However, it's a downside as well, because to sleep with the watch, it can be uncomfortable. I actually take it off for the sleep, and yeah, it would be better if you had it on constantly, because then you get more accurate reading in terms of body battery or recovery or training. It gives you insight into your training, and yeah, the best if you have it on all the time. In terms of accuracy of the sensors, the GPS I find is widely accurate. It hardly ever loses the signal, hardly ever off map. It's always on point. The heart rate sensor is not perfect. Recently, since new updates coming out every month or every other week, the heart rate sensor could be on and off at times. At the start, for a good 5 months, I hardly had any problems. It was nearly perfect, but here and there recently started spiking for like 1k or 1 mile. It went up to like 180 from normally from like 130, and then slowly get back to level. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything else works perfectly. The battery charge just lasts over 2 weeks still, even if you run every day. It's insane. I love that. It looks good. Yeah, you'll enjoy it. It's money well spent. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you don't mind, the money's not an issue, then you should definitely buy this watch. I recommend it to everybody. It's amazing. Looks good. Feels good. Good watch. Good choice. You can't go wrong with it. It's very accurate. You have 2 years warranty if anything goes wrong. So yeah, this is going to be a watch for 3-4 years. Easy. Yeah, there's no reason to update. And hopefully you get it in sale soon enough. Good luck. Thank you.